You know, we are leaving Studio Z in the taxi right now. It's clean. I love Chiang Mai. I'm sad already. Going to Bangkok, then see you. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's go to the train station. Take the third class. We're going to buy the ticket there. We're going to Bangkok. Stay with me. Ladies and gentlemen, today is his birthday to be alive. We're in Chiang Mai on the way to Bangkok. I'm at the train station. I just paid 270 baht. That is the total right there, USD. On to Bangkok. I'm going to be meeting up with my nephew. Actually, my cousin, but AK nephew in Bangkok. He's in the military, so it's going to be great. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Third class, doing it again. Let's see if I get the seat to myself and get to sleep. Stay with me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we made it to Chiang Mai train station on platform 4. We're going to head over there and we're going to get on that $7 train. On the $7 train, the thing was up. I'm here having a great conversation with the elephant who's telling me that she's going to like, share, subscribe, and support the Hostile Traveler because I'm doing some good content. Is that what he told me? Let's go to the train. See you on the train. All aboard! Ha! We just made the train. And man, notice I changed shirt. It is odd to change, but therefore I had to change shirts here for the train. Let's take a look at our seat. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Third class seat. Strapped in. Got food. I have water. Got me some coffee. Gonna go to Bangkok. Share some sights on the way. Like, share, subscribe to the notification bell. Under the month. It's costing me $70 US to go 500 miles on the train. Maybe about a 12-hour trip. I won't know till I'm gonna go to sleep. Have a great one. Stay with me. Let's see the sights.
another stop here. Thailand has the best little station. I love Thailand. I wish I could stay forever. I really do. People in Thailand, it's so peaceful on the train. If I was in America now, fussing, fighting.
You blessed, you want it.
Nobody pays me any attention. I love it. People are great. This really is the land of smiles. And they keep everything so clean. We can learn something in America about keeping things clean. See you later on in the trip. I may take a nap. Guess what? Third class seats the best.